Hey guys, it's your horror hostess Tony Kynes here, and you're watching another episode of Tony's Terrors. On tonight's episode, we're changing it up a bit and we're getting into the world of action figures. I present to you Leatherface from Texas Chainsaw Massacre, and it was made by the MEGO Corporation. This is what he looks like in the box up close. MEGO was huge in the 70s, making licensed action figures. Their action figures came with multiple points of articulation, and to the delight of action figure collectors, MEGO relaunched just a few years ago. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Here I've stood him in an awesome pose. The chainsaw fit really nicely into his hand. I have a few other action figures from MEGO that I'll be showing in the near future. The sculptor of this Leatherface is Andy Cobalt. I think he did a really good job. MEGO also has a lot of other horror-related toys that you can check out. Check out MEGO on Instagram and Twitter at MEGO Corp, and on Facebook at MEGO Ambassadors. If you like what you see, subscribe and hit the like button. Make me super happy. If you're new to my channel and love horror, check out all my other videos. And that's all, folks.